Good night.
A few more hours of work to go.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow, Tim.
Staying late tonight, sir.
Gonna be a late one. Oh, hold the elevator.
Glad to meet you. Great tie, terrific jacket, nice haircut.
Clip-on, Dacron, looks like Shemp.
For your information, I just took a seminar, and the impression you make in the first 7 seconds determines what people think of you forever.
That is so shallow. Anyone with depth knows you can't judge someone in 7 seconds.
Right. Think of the first time we met, Delaney. Hi. I'm Abby Cosgrove.
I don't think we're gonna get along.
Well, I think you can change first impressions. When I first came here, I was a real doe-eyed innocent.
No.
Ow.
But I've changed. I've matured, I've hardened, I've become, dare I say, sophisticated.
Where's my doe-eyed innocent?
Right here, sir.
Guys, that wacko environmental group that's been complaining about one of our proposed factories just got here.
They've got some nerve saying that Upton Weber isn't environmentally concerned.
You're absolutely right. It's not like we invented acid rain. We just perfected it. All right, everybody know their assignments.
I'm the sensitive, caring spokesman who's going to tell them how many jobs the factory will create.
Perfect. Nobody's better at false sincerity than you.
But I really believe that.
Again. Now, Liz, Liza starts losing ground. You jump in and...
Hike up my skirt.
Abby.
Make out with Liz.
Lady.
I'm sorry, my mind wandered. Jump trow, right?
Now, remember, Upton Weber doesn't want any bad press, so we have to show some concern towards the environment.
Sir, if that's the case, then maybe you shouldn't wear that crocodile belt.
Or the crocodile shoes.
Or the alligator briefcase.
Or your Sanghalese tiger watch band.
At least you're not wearing fur.
Delaney, we have to switch underwear.
And that's why we believe this marshland, with all its wildlife and wonder, must be protected, not destroyed.
Man, these doe-eyed innocents are a dime a dozen. Come on, Pfizer, do your stuff.
Well, we're sympathetic to your concerns. Our factory will employ 6,000 people. Do you know how many mouths that will feed? How many baby shoes that will buy?
God, our doe-eyed innocent is beating the hell out of their doe-eyed innocent.
I think sacrificing a bird or two is a small price to pay.
Okay, we won. Thanks for stopping by. Give a hoot, don't pollute.
Excuse me. A small price to pay? Just look at this wild, majestic toucaneur and tell me it's okay that he's sacrificed because he can't survive outside the marshland. If you build your factory, this species of bird will become extinct.
Well, every worker in our factory will have health insurance.
Every bird will suffocate because of your pollutants.
Hike up your skirts.
You'll also wipe out 8 varieties of fish which have spawned in those waters for over 500 years.
Okay, it's a woman's prison movie. Go.
Did I mention how many baby shoes this factory will buy?
Yes, you did.
How about teens and young adults?
Delaney!
What am I wearing, sir?
Chinchilla.
Oh.
Attention, livestock. Many of you have complained about the lecherous behavior of our mail carrier. Well, Management has listened, and he has been removed.
That's fine.
He is now the newest senior vice president.
That's right.
His replacement will start immediately. Everyone, this is Bob.
Look, a robot! Oh, wow! I want one.
Excuse me? This high-tech machine took 10 years to develop, and it cost $4 million. It is designed to perform every employee function
Where's it going?
on break.
Yeah.
You wanted to see me, sir?
Yes, Mac, come in. I just wanted to congratulate you on your performance with those environmental wackos.
Sir, for the last time, I was sincere when I said that people's needs have to come before those of some bird. It wasn't a performance.
Cut print, that's the one.
I only condone the exploitation of animals when absolutely necessary, like bomb detection or cancer research.
Tuna belly?
Oh, please.
No macaseros. Hi. You did a very nice turn with a working man today, Pfizer.
I'd like to think I still have some Midwestern values left in me. Could I have a blue crab hand roll, please?
Ah, Pfizer, here. Have some of my dynamite roll.
What's in it?
8 different varieties of endangered fish.
I couldn't.
No, go on. Eat up. There's more where that came from. Plus, we know there isn't.
Okay. I've got the mail. You can go now.
Bye-bye.
Is he staring at me?
No. That'd be creepy.
Hey, guys, you've been invited to an Upton Weber cocktail party to meet all the new executives. Ooh.
Oh, well, that'd be a great place to try my new 7-second strategy. Watch this. Mr. Larson, Liz Tricoli. And I can sum myself up in one word, shark. And the good news is I'm your shark. You can call me any time for anything because I never sleep.
Wow.
Please, watch this. It may take more than 7 seconds, but it'll have some depth to it. Mr. Larson, John Delaney. I've been a valuable member of this company for over 9 years. I want you to know that I worked very hard at my job because I'm a very hard worker. My job has a lot of different responsibilities. I supervise stuff. Did I mention I can sum myself up in one word? Pretty. No, that makes no sense. Changed my life. I'm ready for bigger and better things. I'm John Delaney, and I'm going places.
Oh, hey, you're Dawn, the environmentalist.
And you're Matt, the conniving fascist sellout.
Hey, you remembered my name.
I can't believe how unsympathetic you people were.
Hey, we're a business. Well, sometimes we have to think of the greater good.
Can you look at this bird and tell me you really believe that?
Sure. Hey there, big fella. We're gonna build a factory on your home. Well, you started it.
You are just like all those other toxic, dumping, profit-mongering, soulless corporate money grubbers.
And you're just like all those other whiny, bleeding heart, trail mix eating, no shaving under their armpits liberals. What's wrong about the armpits?
So, tell me what you've learned about the environment.
Pollution can be cut by 60% if everyone carpools.
Excellent.
And I love the fish. And the bird.
You're not just saying that because we're about to have incredible sex, are you?
No. But thank you for the vote of confidence.
Yeah.
No, of course I care about the stupid bird. It's just that...
The bird is stupid? Oh, that's great. So this is just a put-on to have sex.
Incredible sex.
You know, you are everything I despise in a man.
Well, then I must be doing something right. This fighting thing's working out good.
I'll be right back. Don't move.
Good thinking. A little environmental protection. Hey there, big fella. Here you go. Ow. You didn't even shell it. You are wild.
Looking at the toucaneur? He really is majestic, isn't he?
Oh, yeah, he's a real looker. I bet you taste good in little lemon sauce.
Hey, I've gone out of town for a few days. Maybe you want to take care of him.
Why are you making that noise? You're choking. Oh, my God, it's as hard as a rock.
I'll be right out.
Listen, Dawn, I just forgot I have a meeting now. But, I'm gonna take you up on that offer and keep the bird for a few days.
Working is brought to you in part by Upton Weber. Soon after Sputnik, Upton Weber launched its own satellite, one with technology so advanced that we can pinpoint your exact location without you ever knowing it. Upton Weber. We've had our eye on you since 1892.
Look, I know you're not crazy about these pills, but the vet said you had a shock to your system. What? You want me to crush it up and sprinkle it in your birdseed like a baby? You have a 3-foot wingspan. Act like it. Hello? Oh, hey, Dawn. Yeah, when are you getting back? No, take your time. Yeah, oh, he's great. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're having a ball. Bye. I miss you. Ow! It's gonna be a big factory with 3 smokestacks.
Liz Tricoli, Mr. Simons. A good executive is always looking for fresh ideas. And mine are so fresh, I haven't even thought of them yet. I'd love to have lunch with you any day next week.
How about Tuesday?
Excellent.
Wow, again, 7 seconds.
I know I don't sweat like Delaney, but other than a fat man eating soup, who does?
Excuse me. John Delaney, sir. I've got some dynamic ideas for your department, which I'd love to discuss over lunch at a topless bar.
How about Tuesday?
Don't you already have a lunch for Tuesday?
I'll cancel. She was too chatty.
Wow, Delaney did it in 6 seconds.
Yeah, I took that seminar, but I decided 7 seconds was for wimps.
Why don't you just do it in 2 seconds, Delaney, and call it sex?
Hi, Val.
Okay. We have to talk. I overlooked it when you put my mail in your metallic groin area. But there is no way to mistake this.
Hi, Val.
Evelyn, I need to talk to you. I'm being sexually harassed, stalked, and fondled, and I want it stopped.
Okay, who's doing it?
He is.
The robot?
Yes. Look into his eyes. Those are the eyes of a pervert. He can sense me just like any other man.
Those eyes are metal diodes with a titanium overlay. The only thing they can sense is that you're one naughty white lady.
I was reading about you on the internet. Did you know you're one of 4 toucaneurs left in North America? You've been around for over 6,000 years, and you only get a chance to mate once in your lifetime. You miss that, and it's over. Oh. Hello? Dawn? Dawn? Guess just you and me.
In local news, Upton Weber, despite the protests of environmentalists over the endangered toucaneurs, will clear marshland for a factory to provide
More jobs.
plastic birds.
This isn't right. I gotta do something. I'm not gonna let Upton Weber take away your marshlands. Hey, look. That looks just like your marshlands. Tim, there are environmentalists chained to every desk out there.
I know. Look at mine. Oh, I got a good one. Watch how I can drive you crazy. I think I'll use my fifth styrofoam cup while spraying my hair.
Another environmentalist?
No.
Tim, I have to talk to you about the marshlands.
Oh, great. So, tell me, what's your plan to get rid of these flannel-shirted tree huggers?
We give them back the marshland.
Yes! Ah! Continue.
I was wrong. The Tucanor is more important than the factory.
You slept with her, didn't you?
No, sir, that has nothing to do with it. But I was very close. It's just that I realized what a beautiful, rare, majestic bird the Tucanor is.
You slept with it, didn't you?
No.
Kaiser, I was counting on you. We were kindred spirits in this. We ate endangered species together.
I'm not very proud of that, sir.
You had seconds?
Well, the portions were small.
Okay, Kaiser, I'm gonna make this real simple for you. You're either with us, or you're looking for a new job.
Tim, you can do whatever you want to me.
Does that mean you have an opening?
Well, step back, Delaney. I've got a lot of executives to impress.
Oh, yeah? Anyone you can impress in 7 seconds, I can do in less.
Oh, you're saying it's a contest.
May the best man win. And by that, I mean I think I've seen you in a John Waters film. Hello, Mr. Bartlett. John Delaney here. Your section is the heartblood of the company, and I want to help keep it beating. I believe that was 6 seconds.
Hi. I'm Liz Tricoli, and it's my goal to make sure your department gets everything you need. And that's John Delaney, and he's sleeping with your wife.
Ah!
That was 8 seconds, but it was worth it.
John Delaney. I not only ask the questions, I seek the answers.
Tricoli, put your trust in me, and I'll deliver.
JD. I live for procurement.
Tricoli here, and I want to be your right arm. Oh, I'd apologize if I had more time.
Marketing good. Delaney like.
You're my hero.
You're my father.
Liz.
Okay, that's it. Stop stalking me. Get out of there. Okay? Have it your way.
I want to thank you all for coming. We need as much press as we can get. So as I release this majestic Tucanor back into the marshlands, the only place he can survive, let his flight become a symbol for the entire environmental movement. I'll miss you, big guy, but a bird's gotta be free. It's okay. He's probably just a little confused. Go ahead. You're home now. The only place you can survive. Come on, get out of here. We're on national television. What are you doing?
Artie, I have an unbelievable throbbing in the back of my head.
I thought you environmentalists were supposed to be peaceful.
There he is, the man who single-handedly made a mockery of the environmental movement. Hey, let's celebrate by getting a piñata in the shape of a baby seal.
So I was just trying to fight for something that I believe in. The protection of a noble, untamed animal.
Hey, Matt, your bird's making cappuccino.
Well, if you can froth milk, you're fired.
I still think it's wrong to destroy that marshland. And I'm glad I took a stand.
All right, Pies, if we make you feel any better, you win. Upton Weber's decided to compromise by relocating all the birds.
Really?
Yeah, really. We just have to find the right place where they'll be comfortable and well taken care of.
Okay, where are the chips? Hey, who took the remote?
Ray's private plans for Christmas with Deborah have to stay under wraps when the whole family shows up on a special Everybody Loves Raymond tomorrow at 7:30. Right now, stay tuned for the documentary special Test of Justice next.